Okay, so now I transferred that lamb into another container. All right, so see here, I have the onions. I have a bed of onions on the red onions on the bottom. Okay, also a blanket of them on the top. Okay, and this is not going to be it's not going to be cooked and I'm not gonna, when I make the meatballs, these are not gonna be in there. What this is overnight. This is gonna marinate, and when I cover this up and put it in the refrigerator, the flavor is gonna rise and go all through that lamb. You see what I'm saying? So that when you bite into it, it's an orgasmic feeling once it hits your taste buds. You understand? So that's why you marinate it, as opposed to just, getting the ground lamb, making the meatballs and then throwing it in the pan. The flavor, you don't have any flavor, it's just bland. And you can put seasoning on top of it, but you're not going to have that seasoning on the inside. Okay? So we're going to cover this up, and tomorrow, we're going to make the meatballs. Okay? So, hold on.